The first thing we need is a Remitly account. For a new account, they give good promo rates. On their website, click the sign up button. Signing up is pretty easy as we don't require an ID to send normal amounts. Enter your email address here and then set a password. Then click sign up. Your account will be created. Then go to welcome and then settings. We can fill in the profile information so that the app does not ask us to edit later. I'll save my name and address for now. This step is not important if you don't want to share your information yet. You can also add a payment method that will be selected while sending the money. But again, we can skip it for now. Now go to the home page. Here select the country you want to send money to. You will see the currency rate. I'll pick India as I have to send money to someone anyway. Click send money button. You may pick a saved recipient or create a new one. I will create a new one. At the top is the total amount to send. You may either insert it in your currency or in their currency. This helps when you want to send the exact amount of money, such as a salary. Then is the delivery method. This will not ask for the recipient details yet. This only shows how the recipient will receive the money. Depending on the country, we'll have the options. For India, we have UPI, bank deposit and cash pickup. Also with each, we see the supported places. I'll pick the bank deposit option. On the next screen, it will ask for the bank name. We'll look it up. Then is the payment method. Again, we need to pick how we will pay. All supported methods in your currency will be here. For each, you will see the rate Remitly will offer, the delivery time and any fee it will charge. The most common way is debit card, so I'll use my debit card. If you're happy with everything, click continue. Now are the recipient's bank details. Depending on the country and currency, you will have the options. You should have everything handy by now. I'll paste their account number here. Then is their legal name. This must match the name on their bank account. The phone number is optional. If you want Remitly to send them messages about the status of this transfer, you can add the number. I'll skip it this time. Now pick the reason for sending. I'll choose utility bill payments. Next is the sending payment method. You will see your saved cards at the top. Other payment methods are available if you want to change it. I'll add a new debit card. Click continue. On this screen, add the card details. Choose a nickname for it so that you remember it next time. Click review details. On this page, you will see all the information in one place. Also, the delivery time is at the top. Double check all this, and if everything's in order, click the send button. Some banks have additional security measures such as OTP or email codes when sending with a card. You might be asked for that code here. If no issues, you will see this summary screen. All done. We may see the transfer receipt by clicking here. Also, there's the transfer progress on the home and history pages. Once a recipient has been saved, you may go to send money to pick them and send them again. We may see the transfer history and track the status of a transfer from the transfer history tab. The status of this transaction says delivered, which means that the money has been delivered to the recipient's account. We may click on a transaction to see all the details. First is the delivery time and date. Further down, you will see the recipient's details and then the total amount sent from here and the total amount received in the other currency. Then is your payment information and your details. You may click send again to send the same amount to the same person. So this was using Remitly to send money overseas. Thanks for watching. Take care.